Meaning of igloo.
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 Igloo. An igloo is a type of shelter made of snow and ice that is traditionally used by the Inuit and other indigenous people in cold, snowy regions. The word igloo comes from the Inuit language and means house. Igloos are typically dome-shaped with an entrance tunnel and a platform for a fire at the center. They are practical forms of shelter due to their insulating properties, helping to keep occupants warm in harsh winter conditions. Despite their traditional use, modern igloos are often constructed as tourist attractions and architectural features in colder regions.